What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to install the aluminum coolant reservoir tank by FLASHARK Racing.
ハイパースピードメディア
Okay, to remove the coolant reservoir tank, all you need is a 10mm socket. There's 3 bolts holding it in place. There's one on each side and there's one on the bottom. And there's one more on the bottom. Now we could disconnect the hose near the radiator cap. And finally we can remove the old coolant reservoir. And now let's compare the 2 tanks side by side. As you can see, the FLASHARK Coolant Reservoir Tank is made out of aluminum compared to the plastic one from the factory. This is prone to breaking because of plastic. They just wear out over time, and because of heat they tend to break. With aluminum you don't have to worry about that. It's very solid and will last for a very long time. The FLASHARK aluminum coolant reservoir tank is designed to fit all Mazda Miata from 90 to 97, and it's a direct fit with just basic tools. It's designed to maintain a stable engine temperature at high heat. It's also enhanced the look of your engine bay. And there's also a coolant level indicator on the side of the tank. And on the top there's a barb fitting for the factory hose. And the cap is a screw-on type cap. To continue the installation, we have to transfer the hose from the factory reservoir tank into the new coolant reservoir tank. And now we're ready to install the tank. The coolant indicator side should be facing the engine, and that's how you install it. First, I'm just going to hand tighten the bolt back in. And now we can simply tighten all the bolts down. And now we can connect the hose back to the radiator cap. And now is a good time to top off the coolant fluid. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to learn more about FLASHARK Racing product and other discount and promotion, check out the links below. And I'll see you on the next video.
ハイパースピードメディア